Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and use Temu app on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to start using the Temu app into your PC, because we all know that Temu is available on mobile devices, but currently for PCs, you can only access the website. But the thing with this one is you can actually install the app, but in this case, you'll be using a browser for this one. Now, in this case, you could use any kind of browsers. The steps are kind of similar, but steps are kind of similar here. You won't get lost, but for our case, I'll be using Google Chrome. So in this case, you want to go open up any browser, go open up your website, so temu.com. Now, inside the website, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the three-dotted option at the top right. Now, this totally depends on your browser. Again, it may be three-line bar or a three-dotted option here, but let's go and select this one. Now, from here, what we're looking for is going to be the cast, save, and share. Now, in some cases, your browser may have a specific setting here that says apps. So if you do see apps, go and select apps. But in here, you want to go ahead and hover over cast and save and share. And you want to go and choose the option that says install Temu. Let's go and select this one. Now, it's going to ask you to install app. Click on install. Now, wait for a while. And Temu should now be installed, as you can see here now. Now, if you close this window here, you should see Temu in your desktop. You can go and move this somewhere else if you want to. And you can go and double click on it if you want to open up the app, as you can see here now. Now, you can also start managing this by going to the three-dot option at the top right here, viewing the app info, even viewing some extensions here that you may want to enable in your or inside your app. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.